Hello, my name is Sochi. I study English at LCS school. Can you spell January? Yeah, I can January. I spell January. Can you spell February? Yeah, I can February. I spell February. Can you spell March? Yeah, I can March. I spell Naoca. Can you spell April? Yeah, I can April. I spell April. Can you spell May? Yeah, I can May. I spell May. Can you spell June? Yeah, I can June. I spell June. Can you spell July? Yeah, I can July. I spell July. Can you spell August? Yeah, I can August. I spell August. Can you spell September? Yeah, I can September. I spell September. Can you spell October? Yeah, I can October. I spell October. Can you spell November? Yeah, I can November. I spell November. Can you spell December? Yeah, I can December. I spell December. Bye bye.